Not be that time, I can go back. Before it goes like this.
Hey! That's a comeback. That can hit.
Now, it is common knowledge that in all you get wisdom. Now, we see the story of this man in Ekpoma, Edo State to be precise, who was trying to ride, his bike in a flowing water, definitely erosion in Ekpoma. And Edo State is notorious for that, especially the eastern part where I am from. If you go to Ekpoma and especially Ekpoma, the whole of Ekpoma has been eaten up by erosion. So people struggle whenever it rains. There are times you see big gully, it would have eaten up a kind of big gully that is like even more than 20 feet deep, that if you fall inside it will consume a car, it will even consume a truck, and so these people, this is the reality they are faced with. But in the end, when you know that you have a country